This is Mr. TikTok. This is a very short video letting you know that dark mode is now available in the Messenger for Facebook. To unlock dark mode in the Messenger, you have to send a message to someone or to yourself with this moon emoji. You press send and this moon emoji will start raining down with lots of them. After that, it will tell you you found dark mode. What you need to do next is tap on it. This will take you to the main settings. Then it will show you dark mode with a slider. Once you tap on it, it should take you to the dark mode. Then it looks like this. This was Mr. TikTok. Until next time.